Hello everyone, Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition 12th versus 11th versus 10th generation. Discover the key upgrades, features, and value in this ultimate comparison. Let's get started. Display storage feature display 6.1 inch 300 ppi paperwhite display in 10th generation, which is launched in 2018. 11th generation 2021 display 6.1 inch 300 ppi paperwhite display flush front. 12th generation 2024 6.8 inch 300 ppi paperwhite display slightly brighter flush front. Storage in 10th generation 32 GB, 11th generation 32 GB, and in 12th generation 32 GB. Battery life, waterproofing, and connectivity. Features battery life in 10th generation up to 10 week, in 11th generation up to 10 week, and in 12th generation up to 10 week. Waterproof 10th generation IP into 8 waterproof 2 to 2 meters per 60 minutes. 12th generation IP into 8 waterproof to 2 meter for 60 minutes. Connectivity Wi-Fi optional free cellular connectivity for 32 GB version in 10th generation, in 11th generation Wi-Fi, in 12th generation Wi-Fi optional 5G or enhanced Wi-Fi connectivity depending on model and region. Charging light and key features charging in 10th generation USB-C, in 11th generation USB-C wireless charging support, in 12th generation USB-C wireless charging support. Light in 10th generation adjustable warm light, in 11th generation adjustable warm light with auto brightness, in 12th generation adjustable warm light adaptive brightness. Key features USB-C charging waterproof 32 GB storage in 10th generation, wireless charging auto adjusting light modern flush front design in 11th generation, and in 12th generation improved adaptive brightness, better contrast, enhanced connectivity options, continued wireless charging. Performance specification processor in 10th generation custom built processor, 11th generation is also a custom built processor, 12th generation custom built processor. Storage 32 GB in 10th generation, in 11th and 12th to 32 GB. Operating system Kindle operating system in all generation. Refresh rate standard refresh rate in 10th and 11th generation, and in 12th generation slightly improved refresh rate for smoother performance. Rendering or graphics 300 ppi ink paperwhite display in 10th generation, in 11th generation 300 ppi ink paperwhite display flush front, in 12th generation 300 ppi ink paperwhite display slightly brighter. Audio support supported for audiobooks via Bluetooth in 10th and 11th generation, and in 12th generation also supported for audiobook via Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.